Join me on this amazing adventure of the creation of the butterfly. Let's begin. First, a female butterfly lays tiny eggs on plant leaves. Then the eggs hatch and out comes a caterpillar. Then after eating a lot, the caterpillar gets ready to change. It makes a special shell called a chrysalis to protect itself. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. This truly is amazing. Finally, the butterfly breaks out of the cocoon and spreads its wings. The butterfly's wings are soft at first, but they quickly dry and become strong. Look how beautiful the butterfly is. Now the butterfly can fly and explore the world around it. Now you know how a caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly.